Today I will show you how to use templates in Figma. First, let us start from the main Figma screen, also called the file browser. On the left side, you will see a sidebar. In this sidebar, click on Resources. This opens a panel where you can explore templates and other shared content. Inside the Resources panel, you will see different tabs. You can browse templates from the community, from your team, or directly from Figma. Community templates are shared by other designers. Your team templates are internal templates made by people in your workspace. Templates from Figma are created and curated by Figma itself. You can scroll through the templates or use the search bar to find something specific. FigJam and whiteboard templates usually appear under whiteboarding or presentations. Design layouts and UI kits appear under design templates. Take your time to explore until you find a template that fits your project. When you click on a template, a preview page opens. This page shows you what the template includes and how it is structured. If you like the template, click Use Template or get a copy. Figma will duplicate the template and open it as a new file. This new file will appear in your drafts or in the project you selected. Now the template is your own file. You can rename it, move it to a folder, and start editing. Every element in the template can be changed. You can edit text, colors, layouts, and components just like in any normal Figma file. Using templates saves time and helps you work faster while keeping designs consistent. Thanks for watching.